dunum na no nsia boade shema yema munyina ache mo akwa banfa Adom TV Badwam kase so yedani aseni ni nkranhyensem ene benada no pay so ode abraye samasie na braso sawuti bie na Environmental Protection Agency mpanifo de kokobo magana fo nyina se emre na yewo mu no mframa no mu asesa enti obi anhwe ne ho yie yede sansem ni kire mu no ebebra mo na afa yakọ TUC Fonso de to International Labour Organization and him se won kire aban no ahokire ne ya doso adwumayefo so no onye enhyehyɛ ahodo betumi aboa ama adwumayefo so atimi atena yie sansam no ne nsem bi ena no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no wo Go TV 176 DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsem ni kire mu ankasa etie Environmental Protection Agency, Trinity say EPA, say Ghana for Obia enye ahweye ewo nei emfuturo ye nam ye mfra mamu ene pe brantam bia say yinitie ewo mamu no bia hwe ho ye ubehunu na kwabrane ni hwene mu sonsuo na no nyina wo se prada nti obia hwe no ho ye de wo so wo ye ede bo ho ban free eye code ene nyarwa hodo bia yenya ewo emfuturo mu no bia behwe abo no ho ban Adom TV kase etwaso
na wo ma kire yen se mframa e bofa mpapre no so mpapre no ye desert Sahara bofa so sa de mfuturo na nam mfuturo no bi na atwi afa ye hanom a ye huni aka abomu eno na ye ka se eno wo ho na emum ye ne ansoso ye ne ye bi ayeye a emmoa ebi ni gya hyehye ne mahunu hyehye rubber ties ewira wa prapra ne fie wadodo ne fie no atwagya atum aduane kura ye no an behwe na ya kagya agum na wisie tatatata nyina ka ho bi ana emmoa
Enwachi ena Ghana Meteorological Agency anemusini Joshua Samuel Badwumedi na sibi editu dwase omanfo nhwe kwan se epei ebekwa akosi obenimbosomi no nsutobre ne hyase a ena sanfram boni a ebo a ede ewa popun ene homu mu hawo eba no eto ebetwa.
In the past few weeks it was even raining in parts of Accra and eastern western regions. It was still the Harmattan, but we had a relaxation in the conditions that bring the Harmattan. These things are still there. So until the season is completely over, you can still have them coming back. So let's not rule it out completely when we see the relaxations. Until you have the onset of the rainfall season for us in the country, we should not think that it is over.
Mayento akasiano so na yan concern for Fromo na Trades Union Congress said one more here anymore say International Labour Organization ILO 4 ebesha ban ne kete na wode nhye bi ebema ahokyere ya ewa adwumayefo so no ebetumi abafom ewo nei said the economy no aye bibia wo hoi Director General woda ILO ano abomayimu ensrahwe na fuamiensa na Trade Union Congress TUC mpanifo de nsemi etonani
won ko fie no so bibia eni ho a won ekogina so ade ahwe ebusua ade we ade a hayen as a construction union and yenim say wabe oni amampani be kasa na won weltumi etua eka won de contractors no yatutu no mamu no ma yatutu mu no contract so de ma bi say 1 cedi na o de ma na at that time e ko be say 3 cedis and because of that one no so nisika o de ye e bi o project bi o so on ankasa on finance Sadi a cripple won ama won to me nye de won be eno ye main factor because you share on the won can say sikani ho ni a won di tua workers no
wonom kasa no akiri na Director General Emma International Labour Organization and so den sensi etsudwa.
We are in a world today with all the geopolitics and the multiple crises, a situation that is not easy situation for the workers in general, not only in Ghana, not only in Africa, but in the whole world. So in that global context, it's very clear to me that we need a fresher or an additional dose of social justice. We need to ensure that we drive this institution, this organization, to be the leader in the world for a better social justice.
Workers bear 7,000.
My so na nei sa woko National Resolution Center hono mu a sa wofo pie ye kɔ ye bankwada school mofo nso ebowura mu pie kɔ banie a nyina no egina se school placement no nti we no ye self placement anasa wɔn mu a wɔ haw ɛwɔ baabi de wɔn ato yes sano ne ade no eswani so ka hye kojo mensa bram pa di akire eto so
Ghana ni mapa no atusu school 6 na school 6 no yentima manem ba kokora no ena menti ase ena se nkoma fa school ma yentusu kora na nkafa so so
se binu nya 30 34 39 ne ade kroma mo school na akora nya 16 no nya school medwen ho amenti ase
onya 26 wenya na ba mu abuso obekọ school me pa mo bi na mo nya man why yesra mo sare e be bom mo man school bi akra but they see no ya de asia binum krampo a omunya be se ono onya 23 ba nka ebinu nya 40 omunya good schools but ono de one man school bi akra
pa na ombe boy my self placement no amundoso
Nana Frasika Mensa a free SHS Secretariat Deputy National Coordinator. One so at in same say eto Yamani Buni and
last week numbers in that doors by a resolving majority of them. And then so they know so but I think a repetition or more mobile last week most of them nana as eba and but yebeshe and no free most of them my staff no eba be free most of them I can almost say a resolve your more issues or more conquer Kenya system challenge kakra and ebia ofo no kwa notice board or say ebia ni din e mo ho and no ye auto placement and no na ebia school no e dia board notice board we na oba no ye yema we special placement into enya dia school no ebetumi enya a print obi Edia born notice board one after the other. And so, and one say, Bekwa ko administrator, no a check system, no say within or her, no do prospectors, no gain new admission.
Mrashe Bejani ma this year war Bossy East. Dr. Patrick Boachi Adom, the Atuja Chilmo said, Nay, I will for Emma when you come or more from who party to any one woman's fear, Sabaya one dachi, ever quenimo, nay, Wapao, junior high school, you know whom to my war. And you may do chrome any asokore and or this answer me etuja.
New school blocks me no and I biano. There were cobra for so JHS no and no 2 classroom block. And there was some Korean so 3 classroom block. Nina din konwa gum bibia woma ye de ama ya hand over and de ama school empanyimfo. And nay on my bia betum pon a ya desua. Obana wa wono ne dache se obetimi abobra akwanimu na emwani bi aso awofo no eso a agi se wo otai abofra na chi epia no mani sua nwoma no kwanimu aban ye na famu de o de free SHS aba aban na kasa sa tinani ehwe basic school primary ni JHS ani KG awofo so ya sede ne se yeso ye behwe se nkwada ne ba fie a o ma yo mu homework wafa book asua de
Faustina Emisa Mesni Crutch wo Boise East ono so da ne di say wono mesni no enyini pa ne senti amanipa bebre na aba betena mensini mu eno nti na ho ahia say wono musisi adan ne akade e beboa ma mensini no atimi atumpon no yie
tonkore community bia anyini yie pa ntantam so efisa wo hwa somewhere 2015 wana AGA adwumayafo bebre ko fie no do na asonkware e na mo besi wo mo dan enti amankwa na doso enti just for no mo ko shift mo kwa na pani awia eno nti na nam so a ye abesi dan we se be ya shift no be free wo no mo ina akọ morning.
Chief Justice Adeto Ghana fo nyina anim se yenta wono achi na fei ya tentene ne adwuma no entumi nkoso ye o my Ghana mu wo kwan a ye hwe ye democracy no emu wo kiremu anyumaku ankrankro bibia nso nya gidie wo ye court ensem ahodo mu sabeye betumi aboa ama won adwuma ye mu nso no bibia betumi akoyie de ama won.
Emphasizing that we have a collective responsibility to ensure that democracy thrives in this country. And this cannot happen with a well-resourced judiciary, which is the bastion of the rule of law. Nana, distinguished guests, it is our resolve as an institution to build a system of justice that assures our litigants and countrymen of efficient, timely, and quality justice delivery. The court is here to serve you. Let us have confidence in the court process and make good use of the facility. I wish to humbly entreat Nana Drabehini and Ananom to desist from addressing criminal matters with all due respect in their places and allow the rigors of the law to apply when people are found wanting, especially in cases that cannot be settled.
Na wọn ba bẹ mu nso ẹnfa mua na pẹrẹpẹrẹ a edi ebu man pẹrẹpẹrẹ a edi di asẹm sẹ obi yẹ ọbọni kura na ho sẹ wayẹ ọbọni na court bu ebu afọ a ọbẹkyẹ ho ase sẹ ebu afọ no ẹnu na adwọgye fọ nso mọmfa nye adwuma na judiciary no ẹnfa mua na Ghana enya nkọsọ ni mu nya mamfo enya hotọ yẹ bẹsi dan ma o na sẹ chief justice ho odi ho wo abẹtu yẹ no ẹ wasa di ẹsẹ ọsọ ẹhwẹ niye. Na ode bua na de ode onya adwempa ebe si ye no etumi ehu se otwa bi hada achi a na ohu se mpa Gabin court me breso na me si ye.
Senior Vice President da Ghana Institution of Surveyors GHIS Suleiman Mahama ede to aban no anim se wo mu hia kade ya wo de beye wo no mo adwuma fi se adwuma de wo mu nim wo mu nya ho akade de a ene ye wo be wie kra wo de nsemi tu dwa bra ene yi wo no mo ene sentrefo di nkomo e wo se de wo adwuma e ho nsam no etie na Adom TV pie ho a ye to so.
The last time a comprehensive map of Ghana was done was in 1974. Since then, Ghana has changed tremendously. If you want to do evaluation, you want to cost land, you want to prepare a plan, you need the basic geodetic framework within which to do it. So if it is distorted, you get wrong information. A lot of people accuse the Lands Commission, for example, of giving wrong search reports and the rest. It's because they do not have appropriate maps within which to base their information on. So they will the results that come out may not be as accurate as we will wish. So Ghana Institution of Surveyors is trying to discuss with government how can we improve upon that.
Nwechi osigned to just say sisi womo ede emrebi akoto attorney general enimua wo hye kwan se oman no ebeji atum asamre yi ojitum ebeboa pa ama surveyors a womo eye adwuma e wo man mu a woni tumi krata no eyi womo afiri wadwuma nim ama adwuma wo ye no akoyi.
Because right now you hear about a lot of surveyors who do not have the necessary skill to be surveyors, but chiefs, private people employ them as this, and they distort the information and deceive the general public. So when we have a Surveying Council Act in practice and government itself is regulating how surveying is done, then you can tackle this question of bad surveying that is done all across the country, and there is no consequence for those who do it currently. What's the status of the bill? Well, at the moment, our information is that it is before the Attorney General's Department for them to finalize it and then submit it to Cabinet for consideration. And we hope that it will be done before the end of the year.
Free. Akwamu hine busia pani de to amanyofo enyina nim se wonyi wo hu free su ne banya obi sha adwuma ase no wanwie na mamu ko a no mogya to hosa na mo ema oman no enkwanenim ene womra so bedwani e de soso abofom a wo mu besi ayamfree district police headquarters e wa ayamfree wa padencha west mensinimo e won fifi mantem
kakra me hunu se eye police station a e wo krom ha no e dan pa police for no e de be yamu adwuma no e bi ni ho de o wa ha no e di be 40 years and okra no nya police for dia ye ni aye papa bi na o de sa dan ne ma ho ena ohwemu nso a ekro no first no nanti sei sisi akoye kro kese ena mining companies kra abamu akoye bi abama still e bi wom na wanu say kra mining activities wo mu nso no ya na crime rate nso e high
na kra na chief inspector Bosman Eyansa editor just say wo hunu baby na wate ho edi a che post ejuma ekuo no ebeboa mo manfo ankasa timi abon ho ban ne senti obi bia mfa ne ho enhyem bi
I'm say about the slogan be about say you see something you say something and I'm a wa and he say o ti kroma na so wa mamu ha na se bibi koso na se won ka na wo ya man bofo se krono ana se wudusem e koso wo kromwa ana mantem ba bia na se won ka o meyi pressure sutra na be ya crime rate na be kofo
Ohene ya wo Apinto divisional area na nakwasi blay ede to mabunanim se ba bia wo mo bia wo mpotemu ho no wo mu bibia wo betimi enya adwuma afiri mu sensa bibia no wo twen se wo be ya adwuma e wa ba tenaye efuti won semone Adom TV edi nkomo yi
so yo mo to gold ni na o yem kofo a they didn't even set to class 1 obo graduate na mo to hwe o yes pedro ye go school yes no. I'm not sure the church will teach you how to make money, but they will give you salvation. You have in-depth spiritual works, and you can open your eyes more than the person who is ungodly.
Anusi yapen a Reverend Father Kisi Emim ya wono ena ye youth chaplain eni Adom kase twetwem komo edito mabunu no anim se social media ye wo yi obetimi ede ye na mapi ye de mfa so pa ebebro sent wonya isa wode ye adebone nko ano
na yen team na fire no digital world there's another church ya kwanya ya fa so na ya chere se see on social media yen find na papa and pen be ni be hu se obi e social media na on the attempt now they share pornography, but young people must get deep roots first of all in God, in themselves and in the country. Now say root to know stronger and no na you to me build good structure as
the cracker na Emmanuel Chinebo ayo vice chairman Eda Catholic Diocese of Youth Sekendi Takra de ano eni Adom kase etwetwe enkomo
ye futu a me de be ma ye Catholic youth ni nyina so ne say ye nyina ye mbre ye ho ase ahombrase e betumi de wadu ba bia umpo wunsu so say betumi adu nti ye fa ahombrase emfa nanti wo ye adwumem ahombrase wo ya na sorofo ahombrase dumbre bi kwa na say de obi kasa kira wo no obra wo ho ase a enam say nipa no so ekwan bebre etumi edipie edema
Union groups ahodo besa nine ede to kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama nim sa 2024 election wonyina na wontimi ni crash nkunim fise wo mo agide ni arehemu so wono pe enene fu abuo no ahokira o man yi komo no obetimi ayi mfiri mu ekuo no any motor riders union truth drivers union concerned drivers union ene some aboso kan spare parts dealers enene wo mo de nkrata akoma kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama wo de nsemwe etudwe
ye baako na ye campaign chechirenche edema ye papa na Akufo-Addo because of asemeda o ka kire ye say ye papa Mahama oyobi a onwene debesefo ho because onwene debesefo ho ntino petrol no sanko ma ye 7 cities and I say 6 cities every obaya masa enya kra no de say adena 14 cities no say went to me anti so kra de kenyina 14 cities wana Ewa be 3 months no de bia ka ho. Ewa be 8 months no de bia ka say eh. Now say be no bia je kwan afre wo pay ho. Master fe na no den. Sesi a me no ka say gina say ka say. Say petrol 1 gallon. O check here ka ko 70 Ghana cedis.
Onipa o gine mu eje enkrata no eye former chief of staff Julius Debra na odi to manfo yenim se enkrata wo mo ede aba no emu nsem no odi beto mampani dada John Dramani Mahama enim.
Simobile panic say on me contest my no me president. No say me your mining fee anwa ho amuom no. Eno kwa ye adwuma mu. Na mama na so ho anamusa so say be ye obo si eni abre no. Die ya ye botom sika so san ye dey. Emma wa piso it was me ka chem say nani aso bebre na odi nyame na eden edamase na me mom ka say you see amamu e ho no mpanifo ka say ya na dwen ni nyina ni nipa ba ko fotrim obi o ho asabi ohia na wo fie nti eno went me anko secondary school anko university anko koya anke bi o ye president enti say udi nipa nim na sabio obi oka okada obi oye fitani obi oka trotro e wasem bi no ka anka ne feso ne se oye di na ede utie
Paramount Chief ya wa Veno Traditional Council ye togbi doglu anoma ya wotoso nsia se na nananum enka yenhwe se ba mo na ato pa no wote bi e won mpesua no so ana ne sase so a nananum ntoto na senke kan hye ho na mumu omu na di na afi ho asotwe bia no onfama
imba yenya wo ma wo baba yemaga wo nya ara le klalo nyamo manyanya ika ovo volu na be a draw ayi nuito yapa senyala ika le yapa traditional council na mu Peter Samnafo mia wo nana yare ko workshop because the nyawo na mi de ka the workshop ma komoba ya ba yo katanya newly gazetted chief so kata ya ano bona matepa ika nde share ika ni ka nya pa do now ni ka nya pa nya yo kata kuda gazette pojiko o de mena mi kata de ka na nya leka nyanu azome da pie ko nya ma blere mi agbo eye ma jiba aga block ba ma ku chama tanami le wo na toki ya mi akpa
na no si yepe ena oba hemo wa Aveno Traditional Council mamaga pomebo otosumi no enso editu dwase mona ato ya ade bia edi nsunsuanso bone ebre emaya senti sempanifo tu nwa na monwa ebeboa
majada sa masira samonwa ade ba mi ahira sabo aha to never vie bana no momo anwunachi na Ghana nakpo ngoyi
galamsefo bi so asai asase yentam be 1000 acres a eno wo fo ase wasante achem south enshuo anuru no kra de wo ma se no kra poto amyama ne boni erastu sasare don kwa koho eden semi etwaso
enshuo a na de gu ekoko so obekọ no enshuo na sei untimi nya de hwe enti atam se fa boya me na bu enshuo afiri krom na de kọ afomo
afo sase beye eka apem adane mochimonka ani amanamana galamsefo adane nsuo no kwan abrono ama aye dika
so we are very close to the sound of champagne
yewura mu ekopie enuru no ne fa baabi a champagne eye adwuma totototo ewo ho
and we are very very close
yekopie Isaiah ene ne namfofo so se wode champagne ehunu nsuo no
ufri he
yehunu sa wo hwie engine oil a aye fin ene niam ahodo bi egu nsuo no na aso so ye ne omudi nkomo no uhunu se enha no kra
ni se we nyina ekobo nuru
but ebia aye se no ebia ye di se no na iso na fili ha na akofo
kanem rashe bedwani ema asante achem south asese oye titrani anase board chairman ema Middle Belt Development Authority Alex Kwaku Kranche ede sobo ebo mpanyimfo a emra ehye wonsem se wama kwan ema ohawi ekoso
awere ho se ye wo ahemfo okrodua yimu ye wo assembly members ye wo opinion leaders obi en ka ho hwe